Hello everyone, I just want to make a quick video about this. I didn't see any other videos on YouTube. This I just got in the mail is the Ganzo 4, no, not mistake, not 4, G766. It's in 440 stainless. It doesn't have a spring latch, it's just regular old bally latch. Pardon me, and my no skills of flipping. It's a very tiny knife, but it does flip really freely. There it is. G766, and it's in 440. There's Ganzo. I will note it's got what I believe is copper washers, and there are no metal liners in the handles. There are these little stop pieces down here and right up here, but there is no liners in here that are metal. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. It is very light. It's only about an ounce or so, ounce and a half, but it feels quite good. I will pull up their page. They come in, what do they come in? They do come in orange, green, and black. And here are the specs. And like I said, it's, yeah, there we go, about 50 grams. So you do the math, give or take. It's about an ounce or so. I have to say it's very good. I've only had about 3 or 4 Balisongs in my life, and it's 3 or so have not been good. One of them has been good, and I don't know if I'd even consider it a Balisong because it's got no metal on it. But I have the Cold Steel FGX Tanto Balisong, and it's a good Balisong. It has no metal on it, but then again, nothing on it is metal, so I wouldn't worry about wear and tear. This I wonder how this will handle. I mean, G10 is strong, but I just want to know how strong the handle will be after, if you actually use this. And it was about, I want to say it was about $40, give or take, or maybe it was 30 or so. It was around that Ganzo margin of price. It was very affordable, and I got it from whitemountainknives.com. And let me see. I will go ahead and flip this out. There is the new G766, and here is the regular FH922 in D2 steel. So you're looking about roughly the same size as this regular folder, give or take. But it's very nice, and I'm going to attempt to set the phone properly so I can actually do a cutting test with this paper. There we go. So you can do little pigtails with that. I'm not good at it, but this thing is just slicing. That was me right then, not the actual knife. It just slices for days. It is a good one. And I nicked myself. But yes, I would recommend the Ganzo G766. It seems like a good budget oriented balisong, and I don't know what much else to say with it, but maybe only concern would be non-still liners, but that might, since I'm not usually into buying balisongs, I don't know if there's there could be $1,000 balisong out there that actually, does not have steel liners. So, maybe it works. Maybe it's a good, maybe that's a good thing now. But yeah, I would recommend it. WhiteMountainKnives.com for where it is, and thank you for watching.